Humans are lactic acid fermenters. During brief periods without oxygen, many of the cells in our bodies are capable of producing ATP by lactic acid fermentation. The cells best adapted to doing that are muscle cells, which often need very large supplies of ATP for rapid bursts of activity. What do you think the effects of lactic acid buildup in an athlete's muscles might be? Well, a lot of people think that lactic acid causes muscle cramping, soreness, and fatigue, because those are the sensations you feel when you've been doing a lot of aerobic exercise. Until recently, many people, even scientists, thought that lactic acid buildup was responsible for that muscle fatigue and soreness. But researchers have since found that lactic acid can actually be used as a fuel by mitochondria to make energy. At the beginning of a short distance swim race, what is the principal source of energy for the swimmer's muscles? The answer is that the ATP that is already in the cell supplies the energy for the swimmer's muscles. And then ATP is produced by lactic acid fermentation when there is not enough oxygen in the body to continue cellular respiration. Cellular respiration releases energy more slowly than fermentation does. The body stores energy in muscle and other tissues in the form of the carbohydrate glycogen. These stores of glycogen are usually enough to last for 15 or 20 minutes of activity. After that, your body begins to break down other stored molecules, including fats, for energy. This is why you may have heard that if you want to reduce the amount of fat in your body, you have to exercise for at least, more than 15 or 20 minutes. Because for those first 15 or 20 minutes, your body is burning glycogen. When it runs out of glycogen, then it begins to burn fats. What form of exercise would be most beneficial for weight control? The answer is aerobic forms of exercise, such as running, dancing, and swimming, are most beneficial for weight control. When your body uses up the ATP that it has available and cannot get enough oxygen to continue resupplying all the cells, then it starts to go into anaerobic respiration, begins to burn materials other than the ready-made ATP and the glycogen that's stored in your body.